It has been a crazy couple of weeks, and I think the madness will continue for a little while longer. This coronavirus has created uncertainty, and I get it. Let us face it, the true effects of the coronavirus to our daily life is not known yet. You know who does not like uncertainty? I do not, and most of you don't either. You know who else doesn't like uncertainty? Wall Street does not like uncertainty. Now, this uncertainty has created a huge opportunity for three groups of people. Group one is the folks that are current homeowners that have a mortgage. Group two is the folks that own a home and know that their home will not meet their needs in the future. And group three are the folks that are currently renting and want to become homeowners soon or one day. My name is Kevin Martini, and this is a special video edition of the Martini Mortgage Podcast. I'm calling episode 96 of the Martini Mortgage Podcast, Coronavirus, Real Estate, and Mortgages. Oh my!
This is the Martini Mortgage Podcast with Kevin Martini.
You know who's the best friend of uncertainty? Opportunity is. Now, I don't want you to misunderstand what I'm saying. My heart goes out to those that have the virus locally and around the globe, and also to those that have lost loved ones. I truly appreciate that the coronavirus will have a potential disruption to our daily life. However, this potential disruption is creating uncertainty, and this uncertainty is creating a real estate opportunity. Let me start with some facts. At the time of this recording, mortgage home loan rates are at a 50-year low. What does this mean? If you have a mortgage or a home loan today, you need to explore your options to refinance. Let me say it again. Explore your options, and your options should be explored with an experienced local mortgage strategist that can provide honest and trusted advice with a world-class experience. That is what I do, and that is what my business partner and son, Logan Martini, does. To explore your options, just give us a jingle at 919-238-4934 or visit us on the web at www.martinimortgagegroup.com. The great news is that the website is always open. Seriously, a very popular question right now is if it makes sense to refinance. The answer is, I do not know. You see, there used to be an old wise tale that you should never refinance unless the savings was 1% or greater. This wise tale is simply not true, folks. This past week, I helped a family save 0.25% in interest rate, and we got rid of their private mortgage insurance. Logan, this past week, helped the family refinance, and there was zero rate change. You see, that family was in an adjustable rate mortgage, and now they are in a fixed rate mortgage at the same rate. Yes, most clients receive instant monthly benefits when they refinance, but one needs to know there are costs to refinancing. And Logan and I have found that the families we serve, the cost savings is actually instant. If you have a mortgage, it is time to explore your options right now, because the only guarantee is what is happening right now. Right now, money is on sale and available, but sadly, sales do not last forever. Perhaps you are thinking the things will get worse before they get better, since the coronavirus is such an unknown and there are not clear therapeutic solutions or vaccinations available. Because of this, you think that rates will improve even more. You may be right, but again, the only guarantee is where the market is today. Is it possible? Well, I think it's most likely probable. However, one needs to keep on the radar the fundamentals of the U.S. economy are okay. The February 2020 jobs report echoed this sentiment. Stocks market corrections happen every year, just like seasons come and go every year, and historically they come back stronger. Now, with that said, let us assume that your thesis is correct. You remember that rates will continue to improve, and I say, so what? What if they do? Then we will just simply follow those directions that are on my shampoo bottle, and we will rinse and repeat. Now, let me shift to real estate. I personally believe that real estate is the calm in this coronavirus storm. I honestly feel that the housing is in for a better than expected year. The market is coming to a better balance right now. And yes, there are certain hurdles and certain price points, but one can leap over those hurdles. Let us assume that you are in a starter home that is not going to meet your future family needs. Right now is the time to explore your financing options to see if you can buy and sell second, if you can buy and sell back to back. There may never be a better time to upgrade than right now. You see, when one is a seller, one needs to be concerned with the short term. In other words, where home prices are headed over the next 6 months. However, when you are a buyer, you need to be most concerned with the long-term cost. You need to be, because that are presented, the long-term costs with these low home loan rates are just significantly lower, significantly impacting and amplifying your buying power. I helped a family get a Martini buyer able this week so they could buy first and then sell and upgrade their home to fit their long-term needs and take advantage of this epic mortgage rate environment. Here is what is beeping on my radar that you need to know. These low home loan rates could cause home values to increase at a higher rate than was anticipated. Now let me talk to the folks that are renting today. With an open heart, I believe there's a time to rent. However, that time is not now. Perhaps you are concerned with the obligation that a mortgage means, and I get it. But I want to make sure you understand this. When you rent, you have the same obligation. It is just to your landlord. In addition, when you rent, you are paying a mortgage. You are just paying the landlord's mortgage for them. I have found that many people that rent and even people that currently own a home overestimate what their credit score needs to be. The Martini Mortgage Group at Benchmark Mortgage offers home loans with credit scores that start with a 5. Just yesterday, I helped a veteran with a credit score that started with a 5. Listen, and listen carefully. Bad things happen to good people. Life happens, and don't make a decision just to keep renting because you think your credit is not strong enough. Seek knowledge and understanding of your family's options. I think you will be shocked at what Logan and I can do to help. I also have found that many people overestimate the amount of down payment that is needed. I have some breaking news for you. Beep, 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 beep. There are programs that the Martini Mortgage Group offers that require a low down payment, and there are programs available that offer or do not even require a down payment. If you are renting and you want to buy a home sooner rather than later, I think it would be smart to actually take the step sooner than later. Let me be transparent. Owning a home is not right for everyone. With that said, with an open heart, everyone should have clarity of their options to have a confirmation that home ownership is not right or that it is right. If you want to explore your options, we are here. My name is Kevin Martini, and I have been in the financial services since the late 80s and exclusively in the mortgage arena since 2006 here in North Carolina. Myself and my fellow mortgage strategists Logan Martini are not just advisors to the families that we serve, we're their advocates. If you have questions about refinancing your current home, if you have questions about refinancing your investment property or your home at the beach or the lake, we are here. Just give us a jingle, 919-238-4934. If you believe that your current home will not meet your long-term family needs and you want to discuss your ability to buy first and then sell, or buy and sell back to back, we are here. Just give us a jingle at 919-238-4934. If you are right now renting and want to explore your homeownership options, we are here. Just give us a jingle at 919-238-4934. Thank you for listening or watching this special edition of the Martini Mortgage Podcast. Please share it with a family member, a friend, or a coworker. Peace and blessings.
The information contained in this podcast presentation is for general product information purposes only. Arklatex Financial Services, LLC, NMLS number 2143, doing business as Benchmark Mortgage, makes no representations or warranties of any kind expressed or implied about the completeness, reliability, suitability, or availability with respect to the information, products, or services. All loans subject to borrower qualifying. Other restrictions may apply. Branch Manager Kevin Martini, NMLS number 143962. Branch located at 5650 Six Forks Road, Suite 101, Raleigh, North Carolina, 27609. Contact the branch by calling 919-238-4934. Equal housing opportunity.